What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another unboxing for you from Monoprice. This is the HT-35, a 5.1 speaker system that includes a subwoofer. Yeah, there's even a subwoofer in here, and I'm going to try it out in my room to see how it sounds. But before I can do that, I have to unbox it, so let's get to it. Before we begin, if you enjoy home theater hobbies content and want to show your support, why don't you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. Also, make sure you use those links in the video description below because it tells our affiliate partners that you support the home theater hobbies, and I would appreciate it. So now let's talk about this box. So here it is, the HT-35 from Monoprice. This is a 5.1 home theater system. In this box are 4 satellite speakers, 1 center channel, and 1 8-inch powered subwoofer. Now, to get all of this to work, you will need to get at least a 5-channel AV receiver or integrated amplifier. Now, if you don't know how to connect speakers to amplifiers, I'll put a link in the description below to a video that I did showing exactly how to do that. But once you have it all connected, you'll be able to watch your favorite television and listen to your favorite music with these speakers. Now, as you can see here, this box is fairly tall and it's got Monoprice written on the front. So if you have this delivered to your home, make sure you're home so it won't be stolen. But the box itself is about 23 inches tall, about 16.5 inches wide, and about 17 inches deep. So it's not a small box, but it's not an overly large box either. It weighs about 45 pounds, and I was able to bring it up the stairs on my own, but make sure you have help if you have trouble carrying that amount of weight. But otherwise, it is a standard box, and I kind of want to get into this. So let's break this box open. First and foremost, they give you a box within a box. So that means it's actually shipped pretty well because, you know, it's got extra protection. Now let's talk about the specs of the HT-35, and we'll start with the satellite speakers. The satellite speakers are a 2-way speaker. They have a 3/4 inch aluminum dome tweeter and a 3-inch mid-range driver. They have a frequency response from 110 Hz to 20,000 Hz, a sensitivity of 88 dB, and an impedance of 8 ohms. They are 7.5 inches tall, 4.3 inches wide, and 6.3 inches deep, and they weigh 2.9 pounds apiece. The center speaker is also a 2-way speaker with a 3/4 inch aluminum dome tweeter and a 3-inch mid-range driver. It has a frequency response from 110 Hz to 20,000 Hz, a sensitivity of 88 dB, and an impedance of 8 ohms. It is 10.2 inches high, 4.3 inches wide, and 6.3 inches deep, and it weighs 3 pounds. Now let's talk about the subwoofer. It is an 8-inch woofer that is down firing, and it has a front firing port. It has a frequency range from 30 Hz to 150 Hz. The included amplifier outputs up to 200 watts. It is 12.2 inches tall, 12.2 inches wide, and 12.2 inches deep, and it weighs 19.8 pounds. This 5.1 system from Monoprice costs $219. So there you have it, the HT-35 from Monoprice. Overall, this is what you get in the box. You get all of these speakers with the grills on. I took the grills off just so you can see how it looks without the grills, and you get the subwoofer as well. You also get an RCA cable to connect your subwoofer to your AV receiver, and you get this manual, this user manual right here. And overall, these are nice speakers. I have them in the espresso brown surface finish, and as you can see here, you get a nice tweeter and woofer here, and all of the speakers, including the center channel, they do have at least one port on them. The center channel has 2 ports, so you should get decent bass response, I assume, from this. And overall, they look pretty good. I will be doing a full review on this, so expect to see that in about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I need about 30 hours to break them in, and then I'll start my review process, because I'm hoping these sound good, because I think this will be a great starter system for someone that's looking for a second bedroom 5.1 system. So I will be doing a full review, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to purchase this or anything else from Monoprice, use those links in the description below. We'll talk to you next time.